Today, take a look at the thread checker. So you can see on here, everything is labeled as well as on the case. So in the event that one of these was missing, we would know we'd be looking for the 256. And that's one of the more surprising things about this set is that it can actually check a 2 thread. That is not a bolt that I've even ever seen. So the fact that we can check that one is pretty impressive. It goes all the way up to a 24mm and even a 1 inch in both the coarse and fine. Most of these thread checkers go up to a half, sometimes a 3/4. So a set that goes all the way up to a 1 inch is a very impressive set. Now if we pull this out, this is not magnetic, so this is aluminum. The benefit there is that it's going to be a lot lighter as a full set, but you do have to be a little bit more careful if you go try to like torque something into this. There is more of a damage that you can strip this, as opposed to something like a steel checker. But I do appreciate that we can actually take these guys out of there, so in the event that we've got a hole in a piece of machinery or something like that, we can actually spin that in, as opposed to the ones that usually have the cable drilled through it and then just a whole chain of these things. Those things are still great, but having these loose ones can be very useful. So I got a couple of bolts. Too big for an M7. So that looks like a M6 1.0. And if we compare the sizes, that does look the same, and those threads do match up. I know that is an M6 1.0. Okay, and I know that that bolt is a 632. So overall, for a loose set like this, something where you can take it out and you can check other bolts and nuts with it, this is the most complete set that I've seen of this style. So overall, I am very happy with that.